So welcome back. What the hell? Welcome back, guys. This is Wingamer. Welcome. This is The Legend of Zelda: Ocarina of Time. So this time we are going to proceed in this dungeon called Ice Cavern, and we are hopefully actually going to beat this whole thing in this episode. I'm not sure how can I do it, but we'll see in the end of the episode. So yeah, that's cool, isn't it? Yeah, it's cool. So we just have to kill all these stupid guys and just go. And did we came from here? Yeah, we came from here. So yeah, I always get confused in this dungeon because it's so hard to know which way you came from and which way you have to go. Yep. But now we are going right way, so that's cool. And in this room we have to actually collect all these silver rupees, and it's not too hard. Just run, dodge those stupid bots and bots. What are they? They are bots, not bots. But they are. I don't know. But I shouldn't care. And actually, there's one gold skull right here. So let's shoot. Let's get it with our hooks. Then you destroy the gold skull. And here's silver rupee. And now we just have to run up here, climb up here, and then just angle ourselves so we can get this thing. And by the way, it was today we had in physical education we had a dance, yeah. And I just have to tell that I'm pretty bad at dancing, yeah. I'm just, oh, what I should do? And I get all the time, I get just confused at how I should step with my steps or with my woods or whatever. And we killed that guy, and jeez, I always get hit by this. Run! Yeah, we got through. But anyway, I always got hit by those, so yeah, cool. I did in this time too. So this is a freaking annoying room because there's those stupid ice keys. Damn! I just hit those things so much that I want to kill them. Where are you guys? Where are you? I wanna kill you. Where are you, stupid bat? This is so annoying room because those bats, because you don't see when they are coming, and when they just attack you, you can't do shit about them. And I'm gonna die here, you know that. And where are those stupid bats? And I didn't kill even a single one. Yeah, I killed that one, but there's still this. And geez, I suck at this game. And yeah, I killed that bat too, so now we don't need to worry about those stupid bats attacking our ass. So now we just can proceed and plan. It was third bat. Die. Yeah, good boy. When I said you should die, and you died, so I really appreciate that you died.
Listen! I'm Stupid Fairy and I want to tell you some stuff that I know already.
What you know already? We have to get rid of our bugs, or we have to get rid of our fairy, you know? We just need 2 bottles of this crap, so let's use our fairy, just for nothing. So I was, just before I did this episode, I was actually recording Minecraft, and I just decided to make that episode the last Minecraft episode for a while, because just right now I'm not interested about playing Minecraft. So I decided to stop that, and I'm going to start a new LP pretty soon. And I have been thinking that it would be actually a blind LP, because I haven't done any blind LPs, so yeah, I would like to do a blind LP. So hopefully this fire is going to hit that chest, because if yeah, good, it did hit that. So let's get this treasure chest and see what's in there. And yeah, now I should actually download my Purple Rodri videos and my Nindo Caprescience videos, because yeah, I haven't watched those for a while, so probably Rodri is already have uploaded like at least 2 new videos, but I haven't watched it. So after I'm done with this video, I'm going to actually watch some Rodri videos from Rodrigo, Purple Rodri. So there's I think in that pot there's actually 50 rupees, but I'm not going to bother with 50 rupees, so I'm just going to ignore that thing, and now we just have to get back into my main room, where that stupid spinning blade is. It's this room. And now there's actually 2 places where you can put this gold fire. So yeah, this is one place. And let's not get hit that stupid spinning blade, and this is actually other place, so let's smelt both of these down, and I have to drink because my mouth is getting dry all the time. So anyway, guys, how have you been in your life? What have you been playing? Just tell me. I like every comment, whatever you leave in the comments, I just love it. And in this place we have more blue wire, and we have a piece of heart like you saw. So let's get some of this gold flame. So come on, let's go in the menu and equip, not that one, that one, thanks. So yep. Now we have 2 bottles of blue wire again, so let's just drop 1 right here. And we are going to get a piece of heart with this, so that's awesome. You got the piece of heart. And I'm not funny at all, but whatever, what you gonna do about it? Yep, you can't do anything about it, because I just suck so much that, yeah, I don't have anything funny to say. And I suck at English, so I'm not probably any good guy to watch, but yeah, I can't help it, sorry. I would love to be a better LPer, but I can't change it right now, so I'm going to do my best to be as good as I can be. So yeah, hopefully that's enough, but I'm talking some stupid stuff, some stupid crap, what I shouldn't be even talking about. But yeah, have I mentioned in any video that Putous is a very good program in Finland, and my favorite character in that TV show is it's he's awesome character. And its name is Usko Everett Luttinen, and I actually have said that in some video, but nobody haven't watched that video, so I'm going to say it again. But then again, nobody is going to watch this video, so that's not going to help anything. So let's just proceed in this dungeon. Go this way this time, because this is what we smelted with that other fire what we had before, so this way we have to go. And yeah, we got the Skulltula like you saw. And this is a room what gives a lot of trouble some people, but if I just could remember how to do this, it wouldn't be trouble to me. And die. Die. Yeah, good boy. Ah, I love good dogs. They always die when I say them to die, so now we just have to kill this stupid bat what is trying to hit us, so yeah, we just kill it before it hit us, so yep. Now we are going to get this Skulltula. There's 3 Skulltula I believe in this dungeon, so just get them all. This was last of them, I'm pretty sure, so yep. Now we have this puzzle. We have to collect all these shiny rupees, and it's not too hard. And there's a trick to do, like you can get pretty many of these even without doing this whole puzzle, so I believe you can. How should I? It's very hard to angle myself in. Yeah, you can do like that. You can get that rupee without doing any pushing that block, so that saves some trouble. So now we just going to push this. We don't need to push this, so we just do like this. Get this one. And now I don't remember how to do this puzzle, but I'm going to figure it sooner or later. So well, let's try it. I believe let's try it like this. I'm not sure. Do you have to do it like this? I think actually I just screwed up. You shouldn't do it like that, but that's okay because we don't have any time limit, and plus we just can restart this thing pretty easily. But let's try this. Maybe this is the right way. We'll see. Yep. And this is actually the right way. When you push it right here, you can push it straight up there where we have to go. But before that, we have to collect all these rupees. So, and we haven't collected them all. So, yep, that sucks. So we have to push this block up here. Then we have to push it down the pit because, yeah, because I screwed up. But at least we know how to do this in the end, so and that's always good news to me at least. So now we're just going to get up here to collect this rupee, and this is all last of them. Last of the rupees, but I think we have to get some more blue fire. And yeah, we don't have any blue. Actually, we have one, but we have to get one more because, as you know, we have to smelt that Choragai. Don't fall in the pit because if you do that, you have to start this thing over again. And I don't wanna do that. Let's push that pit. And let's not do this in the right way. just... Well... Should we? Let's see. Let's see. But we are actually not going to see what I'm going to do next because we are going to see because I can make this a little bit longer, this video, so this is going to be a little bit longer video, but it shouldn't be too big problem to you, so because most Let's Play players make a lot longer videos than what I make, so yep, that's a fact. So let's push this right there, then right there, then right there, then right there, because we need to get more of this blue wire. This is actually going to be pretty long video, but yeah, I can't help it, so because I don't wanna stop, like, just make a cliffhanger like that, so yep. But I'm going to make actually cliffhanger, but not very big cliffhanger, but yeah. So now we just push this one in bit. Come on. Not climb. I wanna push it. Not climb. Crap. Thank you. So now we just take this over again. Do this over again. So push. Jeez Louise. Can I do this right? Thank you. Thank you very much, my lady. How can I help you? Would you like to have my number so you could call me? Because I would like to date with you because you are pretty yeah, that's enough. So now we are just going to push this one right there. And it will be end of this video, so thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like that. And yep, that's all. So bye bye, see you on next episode.